Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian coming to you live again, another edition of Real Estate Insider. And today we're going to talk about credit. I get probably 50 phone calls a day from people that aren't ready to qualify because of their credit. They're at a 550, a 560 credit score, and they think that, or they're at a 580 or 600 or 620, and some bank tells them that they need a 640 credit score or 680 credit score. And don't get me wrong. Obviously, the higher the credit score, the better. But a lot of companies, a lot of banks, a lot of lenders, what they do is if you don't hit that number right there, right when you inquire, then you get denied for the loan or they ding you with a higher interest rate. And the thing is that really doesn't make a lot of sense because a lot of times, it's something that could be minorly impaired on your credit that can be quickly fixed. In fact, 70% of the people, whenever they initially inquire with me, their credit isn't exactly ready at that time to get the loan. But we can still pre-qualify you and pre-approve you contingent on you getting those items corrected. For example, and we'll walk you through some of the things that we do here. We'll add some slides here. You'll see where somebody will start out like at a 550, 580 credit score. We can have them either open up a secured card, pay off an account, and put it into dispute or get it deleted or get it settled, and their credit score can go from 580 to 640. I do this thousands of times a year for people and help them get into a home. So I don't want you to have the misconception that just because your bank told you that you don't have a 700 credit score that you can't get a house. That's absolutely not true at all. You definitely can. And so what you do whenever you contact us and we help you with the loan, we do an analysis. We go through your credit. We see exactly what you qualify for. We run the numbers, and we tell you we run it through. We have an Analyze tab, and that Analyze tab will kind of go through your credit and tell you what needs to be done to boost your score, maybe to get it up 30, 40 points, and then help you get a lower interest rate and then get a better loan. So don't think just because that your score is not there yet that you actually don't qualify for the loan or that you're going to get a worse interest rate. It doesn't work like that. We're going to go through it with you, work on it with you together. And like I said, if you're at a 580, I can get you to 620 very fast. It's not the end of the world. We can get you into a house. Now, sometimes, depending on where your credit's at, if it's really low, like 480, 500, 520, it may take a little bit longer. It could take a few months, so it just depends. But it doesn't mean that you can't get a home. But what we have to understand is that we have to work towards a plan to get you there. So if you're at a 520 or a 540 or 510, the only way something's going to get better is if you focus on it and acknowledge it to get it better. You know what I mean? So evading it is not the answer or the solution. We have to focus in and get it addressed, get it taken care of so we can get that score up. So don't give up. Don't lose hope. Just talk to the right people. Give me a call. My direct number is 832-431-6331. My name's Angelo Christian. Like I said, you'll see we'll have some slides in here. We'll show you, hey, if you're at 580, we can get you to 640. If you're at 640, we can get you to 700. There's a lot of things that we can do to get you there. So don't lose sight. Don't lose focus. Talk to the right people. Talk to experts that have closed thousands of loans, that have been in the business for years and years, that have the track record to help you to get to where you need to go with buying a house. So again, this is another edition of Real Estate Insider. This is talking about credit today. I hope that this is informative. And some of the slides that we'll be adding will show you some of the things like, for example, adding secured credit cards, paying down revolving debt below 40%, paying down settling judgments or charge-offs or collections, and then I can get those deleted off your credit. Having accounts in dispute and having those removed. Those are 4 things that can boost your credit over 60% in less than 30 days. Adding authorized users, removing authorized users. That's another strategy that we can do to help to boost up your credit, in just a matter of less than 30 days. So a lot of smart things that we can do to help to get that score up. So give me a call, 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen. We'll see you next week on another edition of Real Estate Insider. This is Angelo Christian. Take care.